Doesn't every horror movie kind of start like this though? So they're going to burn the effigy of the villain with a bit of pork fat. We don't need superheroes. We need to come here and see these wonderful ladies. They're the true fighters against villains. Am I blessed? Am I cursed? So I'm just exploring Hong Kong, walking around, and I find this really cool place. I don't know if you can hear me very well. I really hope you can, because it is crazy noisy here. But what we have behind us are like, I don't know how you would class this, fortune tellers, witch doctors, spiritualists. But there's a setup here where these ladies, when I look at the signs, it looks like what they do is they ward off evil spirits or bad people that are in your life. They help you get rid of the negative energy in your life. I mean, maybe you've got an annoying neighbor who won't leave you alone. Well, then you come and see these ladies here, and they will help you, I don't know, get rid of your annoying neighbor. I'm not quite sure how this works. This is some serious juju going on here. You can see here's where they burn effigies, and it says here, prayerful blessings and fight against villains. We don't need superheroes. We need to come here and see these wonderful ladies. They're the true fighters against villains. Sorry for this lady. Hi, thank you. So this one, so this says here, Hong Kong traditional culture. This is so loud. Hong Kong traditional culture, villain hitting. It is used to expel the devil and to make you calm and comfort in mentally and physically. So, okay, this is what we're gonna do. Okay. I write. So I need to write something on this paper. I put the name? Name. My name or no? Me. Me. I'm gonna put my name. I hope that's what, otherwise she's gonna be beating my name. I hope it's my name and not the villain's name. But this, me, Rikia. Okay, bam. Okay. There we go. What a wonderful lady. Times like this, I wish I knew how to speak Cantonese. Okay, let's see this. Other things. Can you hold? I've got a photographer camera lady. Okay. I really hope I put the right name on that. I hope this is for good luck. Please leave in the comments and let me know what's going on, because I've got no idea. Beating of the villain. Yay! We defeated the villain. The villain is gone. Let's see if it works. I hope this really does work. And now, I think I get a hat. Is this a party hat? Oh no, it's not a party hat. Okay. Okay. Ah, yeah, they put in pork fat. So I'm guessing that's because it's an unclean animal, and they put pork fat to seal it. So they're going to burn the effigy of the villain with a bit of pork fat. It smells, it's making me feel hungry. I can smell it now. I can smell pork fat melting and I want to eat. Okay. This is for my blessing now, I hope. I mean, this lady needs to come to my house at summertime and help me with my barbecue. I'm being blessed. I swear to God, the only thing I can think about is barbecue. It actually feels quite nice in a weird way. I hope she's single. So yeah, please, if you've got any idea and you can explain this to me a bit more, please do leave in the comments so I can kind of fully understand exactly what's happening. I guess we defeated the villain. I've been blessed. I hope. Oh, this is me. This is with my name on it now. Ngo Ricky à? Ngo. Ngo, hi Ricky. Oh. Kind of feels like a game you play at primary school. It's not her first time on camera. She keeps trying to give me good angles. She knows what she's doing. Doesn't every horror movie kind of start like this though? Is this when I get back to my room now that start seeing reflections in the mirror of dead, weird, ancient Chinese gods? This is how horror movies start, right? I hope not. I must admit though, she's very thorough. Oh, here we go again. There's some runestone business going on here. It's good? She says it's good. It's good. You gotta respect the culture, don't you? This phenomenal. Wow. Ho ho yeah. Muốn gói xài. Muốn gói xài lại. Muốn gói xài. Xài cả lên lôi à. Sẽ講少少廣東話. My Cantonese is very rusty. Okay, let me get some money. So I can pay this wonderful lady. I think it was 50 Hong Kong dollars. And considering I'm a tourist, she could have done anything and I wouldn't have known. But yeah, I think 50 Hong Kong dollars is definitely value for money. Wonderful. Oh yeah. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.
Takin. And that was that. Am I blessed? Am I cursed? Are the naughty villains I asked to be cursed, have they finally been cursed? Will they get their comeuppance? I'm gonna have to do an update video on this to let you guys know what happened. If I did start seeing reflections in my bathroom mirror of zombies, or if those evil elements in my life actually finally got what was coming to them and gave me a bit of peace. I hope these blessings work. The world is a fascinating place with mysteries beyond our comprehension. So let's hope that a little bit of this put a little bit of positivity for me, for my family, for my friends into our lives. Or maybe one day if we ever do a F&Q or Q&A video, make sure we do ask me about this so I can let you know if anything changed. Fingers crossed. Like, share, subscribe. Rick Meets World. Actually no, Rick Meets the World and now the afterlife.